Hello, teacher.
Hello, potato. Good evening. Hello. Oh, Putin is there. Hi, Putin. Potato. Your hair
Huh?
is your hair is so cute. Who cut your hair?
Mom.
Wow. It looks so good, right?
Please.
You like your hair?
Please.
You have the same hair
What?
with you have the same hair with Putin. Look at your hair, the
Yes.
two of you. Oh. That's, is it also your mom who cut your brother's hair? Is it your mom who cut your hair?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay. Hi, Putin. Good evening.
Hello.
Okay. Hi, Putin. Hello. Say hello.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, that's my daughter.
Hello.
Hello.
Đi không
Good
mày nhá. Đi không mày.
evening.
Ngồi xuống, ngồi xuống, ngồi xuống. Ngồi xuống.
Okay. So, potato, let's start now. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, wait me. Let me share the screen. Okay, so last Monday, what we had was we did Unit 1, and that was all about saying hello. Now, this time, potato, let's move now to Unit 2. And what is Unit 2 all about? Please read. What's Unit 2? Unit 2 is about numbers.
Number.
Okay, yeah. Do you like numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to hear. Now here, before we start, I have here some words, okay? So here, what's the first word we have?
Car.
Car, correct. Two.
Car.
What's the second word? This is a sock. Okay. Next, third
Sock.
okay, third picture. What is the third picture? It's a book. Okay, very good. So we have here a car, sock, and a book, right? Can you see it? Okay, good.
Book.
All right, so here I have here another one. What's another one? We have here is a,
Shoe.
okay, a shoe. Okay, do you have a shoe?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the color of your shoe? What's the color of your shoe, potato?
Gray.
Gray. Okay.
Shoe.
This one, what is this?
Bag.
All right. Okay, potato, how many beds do you have in your house? How
Two.
many beds? Two beds. Okay. Who do you sleep with? Who do you sleep
What?
with, potato? You sleep with? Who's
No,
together?
3 bags. 3 bags.
Beds. Okay. Who do you sleep with, potato? Do you sleep with your brother? You
Yeah.
sleep beside brother? Oh, okay.
Bed.
Next, how about this one? What is this?
Apple.
Apple. All right. Do you like apple?
No.
Why? What fruit do you like?
I don't know.
Oh, how about mango? Do you like mango?
Yes.
Okay, how about banana?
No.
No, only mango. Only mango?
Yeah.
Okay.
Apple.
And grape.
And grape. Yes, that's good. Next, here, this one. What is this?
Yes.
A desk. Correct. This one.
Desk.
What's the next one? We have
Chair.
here is a chair. Okay, what's the color of the chair in the picture?
Is
It's
is orange.
okay, good. It's orange.
Chair.
Next. How about this one? What is this?
Ball.
A ball. Okay, look at the ball potato. What are the colors that we can see in a ball? What are the colors? We have
We have red.
red. What else?
Red.
Red,
White.
white. What else?
Blue.
Blue. What else?
Green.
Green. Okay, and lastly, we have here is the what's the third? Okay, very good. Okay, next. I have here numbers. Potato, do you know these numbers?
No.
Okay, look at here. This is number. What is this?
1,
Next.
2,
Next.
3,
Next.
4,
Next.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
And
20.
very good. Okay, I thought you don't know the numbers. You said you don't know the numbers, but you know. Oh, you're tricking me. Okay, here. Potato, can you count from numbers 1 to 10 without looking at the words? Okay, potato, can you write the numbers? For example, the word is 2, write number 2. Okay? Okay, all right. Okay, take your time. I will wait until you finish this activity, okay? All right, teacher will wait.
11, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. 5. 9. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know 7.
You don't know how to write 7?
Yes.
Okay, so here, before we will check number 7, let's check first potato. the other numbers, okay? So next to number 2 is number 5, correct? 5. Oh, look at number 7, potato. That's how you write 7. Okay, there you
Yes,
go. Okay, 7. 8 is correct. 9 is correct. 10 is correct. We have 11 correct. 12 is another correct. 13 correct. 15 and 20 perfectly. Okay, there you go. Very good, potato. You were
3, 4,
able
5,
to
6, 7.
write, yeah, only number 7, okay? So please try to remember how to write number 7. Okay. All right, so here. Okay, potato, I have here a picture. Potato, can you tell me what can you see in the
Yeah.
picture? What can you see in the picture? I can see
I I can see
cat. What
Ball.
else? Car,
and chair and
chair. What else?
a shield
Okay.
and toys.
Toys, many.
And second.
What
And
else? Books. Oh, how many? Many books, right?
And a sock.
Okay, socks. Oh, and
An apple.
and apple. What's the color of
An
the
apple.
apple? What's the color?
A bed.
And
A
bed.
bed.
Okay, what's the color of the apple, potato? Apple is color
Green.
green. Okay, green. All right. So here, potato, I want you to arrange the letters to form the correct word. For example, car. Look at the letters of the car. R-C-A. Arrange the letters and look at where it is pointing. Oh, right there, a car. Okay, can you answer the others?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Book.
What's that? What's number 4? It's a
It's a bed.
okay, next.
I don't know sock.
Sock. What's the first word? S. Okay, try.
I don't know.
Okay, number 3. How about number 3, potato? Number 3.
I don't know.
Look at picture 3. That is a shoe. Do you know how to spell a shoe? Letter
No.
S. Okay, I will say the letters. Letter S. Okay. S, not E. S. 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 There you go.
S.
H. Letter H. O and E. O, E. Next. How about number 4? What? Look at 4. What is number 4?
Book.
Okay, book. How do you spell a book? It starts with letter B, not K. B-O-O-K.
Okay.
B.
Book.
Okay, next. How about number 5? What is number 5 pointing? 5 is a
Cat.
okay, cat. Please read. Please write.
The cat. Yeah.
Okay, and look at number 6. What is number 6?
I don't see.
Here, number 6. Look at the arrow to number 6. What is this pointing? Pointing at the, what's this?
Ball.
Okay, what kind of ball is that? What sport do we use that kind of ball?
B.
Uh,
B-O. And
okay, look at here. Oh, bed is correct. Next, sock. That's the spelling of sock. S-O-C-K. Next, we have shoe. S-H-O-E. Next, we have the book. B-O-O-K. And cat, correct. And look at number 6. What is that? Is it a ball?
bookshelf.
Okay,
Bookshelf.
bookshelf. Okay, there you go, potato. Now here, potato. Is there a ball on the bed?
Yeah.
Look at the picture. Oh, yes, there is. Next, what's the color of the ball on the bed, potato? Potato. What's the color of the ball on the bed? It's color. It's color green?
No, color purple.
Purple. Very good. How about here? Is there a car under the desk? Look at there. Is there a car under the desk?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the color of the car under the desk?
Green.
Okay, there you go. Now here. Okay, potato, I have here questions for you. Number 1, how many cats are there in the picture?
Is 3.
I said, there are 3 cats. Again.
There are 3 cats.
Okay. How many books are there?
In 5.
Okay, books. Let's
6.
count. 6.
7.
7.
7.
Again. Okay, 7. Let's count. Let's check 3 cats. Next, very good. 7 books. And how about apples? How many apples are there in the picture?
6.
There are, you say there are.
6.
Again, okay. There are 6 apples in the picture. Very good. There you go, potato. You did great. You were able to write the correct answers in this question. Now here, potato, I want you to listen, okay? Listen to the audio and then write your answer, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have here questions 1 to 5. First question, What is the boy's name? The name of the boy is Tom. How old
Tom.
is he? 9. Okay. Potato, number 1. Listen to question number 1.
2D. Numbers, numbers, numbers.
Listen first.
Look at the picture. Listen and look. There are 2 examples.
Hello. What's this boy's name?
His name's Tom.
Can you spell his name?
Tom's name? Yes. T-O-M.
How old is he?
He's 9.
9.
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1.
How many toys has Tom got?
He's got 6 toys.
Sorry?
He's got 6 toys.
2.
I like his cat. What's his cat's name?
His cat's name is Lucy.
Lucy. That's a nice name.
Yes. You spell it L-U-C-Y.
I don't know.
Again. L-U-C-Y. Oh, why did you erase your answer? Okay, write your answer first. Your number 6. Number 1. Your answer is number 6. Write 6. Potato, write 6.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Number 2. What is the name of Tom's cat? The answer is
And
Lucy. Oh, how do you spell Lucy? L. Come on, write. L. U.
You, I don't know you.
You like this, you.
What?
Easy. Like this. Oh, you. You.
You.
C.
Yeah.
Y.
I don't know why.
Oh, Y is like this.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next, let's do number 3. Listen to question 3, Potato.
3.
How many books has Tom got?
He's got 5 books.
Okay, right? How many books has Tom got? Very good. Next, number 4. Listen.
How many?
He's got 5 books.
4.
Right, 4.
What's the name of Tom's school?
Tom goes to Park School.
Can you spell that?
Park? Okay. You spell it P-A-R-K.
Okay. What's the name of Tom's school, Potato?
Many books come up.
No, name of the school. Listen. Listen again.
Books has Tom got?
Listen, number 4.
He's got 5 books.
Oh, now 5 books
How
is
many?
correct. Number
He's
4.
got 5 books.
4.
5
Number
books.
4.
What's
Number 4.
the name of Tom's school?
Tom goes to Park School.
Can you spell that?
Park? Okay. You spell it P-A-R-K.
Letter P. A. R,
K.
K. Again, write potato. Letter P. Write P. P,
B,
A, not B, letter P. Like this on letter P. Like that. Letter P,
B, yeah.
A.
I don't know A.
A is like this. So let me show you. Wow. A, R.
Here, I here.
Okay, R. How about letter R? K.
Here.
Okay, K.
K, I know.
Okay, K is like this. Letter K.
Oh,
Okay, now.
here.
All right. So next potato. Which class is Tom in? Which class is Tom in?
I
Listen.
don't know.
Listen. Number 5.
5.
Which class is Tom
I
in?
don't.
He's in class 10.
Class 10. That's good.
Okay.
Yes. He
Okay.
really likes.
Okay, potato. What class is Tom in? Tom is in class number
10.
10. Okay, right? 10.
10.
Okay, right? 10.
I don't know.
Number 10? You don't know number
what.
10?
I don't know what.
Oh, like this. 10. 1 and 0. 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's check potato. Ready to check? Ready to check? Okay, potato. What is the name of the boy? Again? What's the name of the boy?
It's Tom.
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 How old is Tom?
It's 9.
Okay, he is
10.
9. Very good. How many toys has Tom got?
It's 6.
Okay, let's check.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. It's 6. Next. What is the name of Tom's cat, potato?
Lily.
Okay, let's check if it's Lucy. Wow, very good. Next. How many books has Tom got? Books. How many books? What's your answer? Tom got how many
5.
books? 5.
5.
Very good. It's 5. And here, what is the name of Tom's school?
Pop.
Oy, correct. Very good. It's Park School. And here, what class is Tom in? Tom is in class number
10. 10.
Perfect. Look at that potato. Look at that. You were able to give the correct answer in this activity. Very good. Easy or difficult? Easy or not? Potato?
What?
Is it
What?
easy? Easy or not?
No.
Not easy? Oh, but you were able to answer it
Yes.
correctly. Okay, now here. All right. Potato, you are going to connect this one, okay? I will read to you something and you write a letter, you draw a line, okay? Okay.
Yes.
Potato, can you
Ready.
see? Can you see again? Okay. Potato, you enter again. Enter again. Okay. The time is about to close. The Zoom is about to close. Enter again, okay? Enter again.
Okay, I will write here.